Today I'm going to teach you how to make fabric masks. The materials you'll need are fabric and elastics. Both of them are available in Oomomo. For a doll mask, you need a fabric that is 40 cm long and 20 cm wide, with two elastics that are 24 cm. First, you need to tie two knots on each elastic, one at the top and one at the bottom of it. And you do the same thing on another one again. The children one needs a fabric that's 35 cm long and 21 cm wide. First step, you have to stitch the side of the fabric. The next step, fold the fabric in half. The side that is facing out will be the inside of the mask. Stitch this part together. And remember to leave a hole in the middle so you can put some filter material inside. Just like this, and there will be a space to put filter material inside the mask. After you're done, you fold the fabric like this. And stitch the two sides up, the bottom and the top. You do the same thing on the other side and fold it again to make the fabric more flat. Now, both sides are stitched. Take out the elastic. Put it inside the fabric, but the two knots will be outside of the fabric. You're only going to stitch the knot with the fabric and make sure the rest of it is inside, it's not stitched together with the fabric. Make sure the elastic is not stitched with the fabric. This is what it's supposed to look like, and you do the same thing to the other side of the fabric. Now, flip the mask to the side that it's supposed to be from the hole that we made for the filters material. Now you have to fold the fabric 3 times at the side of it like this to make it look like what a mask is supposed to be look like, and stitch them together. After you're done this one, do the same thing on the other side. That is all you have to do to make a fabric face mask. You can open it and put some filter material inside there.